Okay, so hello guys. Once again, a very warm welcome to all of you. So, from today, we will start NCERT class 10 topic, that is chapter number 8, Introduction to Trigonometry, page number 193. You can open to page number 193, and from there, you see exercise number 8.4. From question number 4.3, we will start. So you can see that I have written it on the board also, that we will start exercise number 8.4, that is from NCERT class 10, page number 193, chapter number 8, Introduction to Trigonometry. Exercise number 8.4, question number 4.3. So from question number 4.3 we will start today. So question number 4.3 tells that sec a plus tan a multiplied by 1 minus sin a. So here we have to find the value of this expression, that is sec a plus tan a multiplied by 1 minus sin a. So see, sec a can be written as 1 by cos a plus tan a can be written by sin a by cos a multiplied by 1 minus sin a. Now from here I can take the denominator as cos a, LCM, and at numerator we will get 1 plus sin a, and this is multiplied by 1 minus sin a. Again you see, we can write that 1 plus sin a, if I combine these two, that is 1 plus sin a multiplied by 1 minus sin a, and this is divided by cos a. Now see, it is, if I take 1 as a and sin a as b, so a plus b and a minus b, we know the formula, that is a plus b and a minus b is equals to a square minus b square. So this formula we will apply to the numerator, not to the denominator, because denominator is same, this is cos a. So this formula we are applying to the numerator. That means in place of a we will write we will do a square minus b square. So it is a plus b and a minus b, so we will write a square minus b square, that is 1 minus sin square a divided by cos a. Now see, we know that sin square a plus cos square a is equals to 1. Therefore cos square a is equals to 1 minus sin square a. Very simple. So in place of 1 minus sin square a, I can write cos square a. So that is why I am writing here cos square a by cos a. So if I cut here, you will get cos a. So our answer is cos a. This one is our answer. I hope you like it. So let us move to our second solution. Now let's see the solution of question number 4. See, from here we can say that 1 plus tan square a, before doing, let's see some important results. That is, you see 1 plus tan square a, we know that sec square a is equals to 1 plus tan square a. This one is the second trigonometric identity, and cosec square a is equals to 1 plus cot square a. These two identities we already know. So see here, 1 plus tan square a, this part 1 plus tan square a is given in the question, 1 plus tan square. So in place of 1 plus tan square a, I can write sec square a. So I am writing sec square a divided by, again here see 1 plus cot square a is given in the question. So in place of 1 plus cot square a, I can write cosec square a. So I am writing cosec square a. So from here I can say that sec square a means 1 by cos square a divided by cosec square a, that means 1 by sin square a. This means This means sin square A by cos square A. If we solve it, we will get sin square A by cos square A. That means sin square A by cos square A, we can write it like this: sin A by cos A whole square. So sin by cos, what we know? Sin by cos we know tan A whole square. So tan A whole square means tan square A. This one is our answer. Let us move to our next solution. So now let us see the solution of question number 5, Roman 1. So question number 5, Roman 1 tells that prove the following identities. So this one is the first question given. The first question is cosec theta minus cot theta whole square is equals to 1 minus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta. It is told to prove it. That means this one is our LHS and this one is our RHS. So let us take LHS and prove the RHS. So LHS we have cosec theta minus cot theta whole square. That means see A minus B whole square. A minus B whole square. So A minus B whole square, what we know? The formula, that is A square. That means here A is cosec theta. A square minus 2 cosec theta cot theta cosec theta cos means that means minus 2ab plus b square, that is cot square theta. This one is the formula of a square minus 2ab plus b square. Now from here we can say that cosec square theta minus see 2 cosec theta. So 2 cosec theta can be written as 2 into 1 by sin theta multiplied by cot theta. So cot theta can be written as cos theta by sin theta plus cot square theta can be written as cos square theta by sin square theta. And just expanding it. Now see cosec square theta, we can write it like this only: cosec square theta, cosec square theta minus 2 cos theta by sin square theta plus cos square theta by sin square theta. Now here you cannot here you can directly do this, that is cosec square theta can all be written as 1 by sin square theta. You can do it directly, no need of doing another step for this. In this step only you can do all this. Now see in denominator we will get, after LCM if we take, we will get sin square theta, we will get sin square theta, and in up, it is in numerator, we will get 1 minus 2 cos theta plus cos square theta. Now see very carefully, this expression means the numerator expression, this 1 minus 2 cos theta plus cos square theta can be written as 1 square, that means 1 square minus 2 into 1 into cos theta plus cos theta whole square divided by sin theta, sin square theta. See this one, a square minus 2ab plus b square, 1 square, that means 1 square means 1 minus 2 into 1 into cosec theta, see minus 2 cosec theta cos theta plus cos square theta can be written as cos theta whole square. So this expression means a square minus 2ab plus b square. So this expression is in the form a square minus 2ab plus b square by sin square theta. Now see this expression, that means what? 1 minus cos theta whole square divided by sin square theta. From here you see 1 minus cos theta whole square, that means what? 1 minus cos theta multiplied by 2 times 1 minus cos theta, 1 minus cos theta. Now you see divided by sin square theta can be written as 1 minus cos square theta 1 minus cos square theta. So again this can be written 1 minus cos theta, 1 minus cos theta divided by, see, a minus b whole square. So a square minus b square. So a square minus b square means what? A plus b, a minus b, that is 1 plus cos theta, and here 1 minus cos theta. So if you cancel it, it is, here you will cancel this and this, you can cancel it. Sorry, this cannot be cancelled, you see, because it is minus cos. So this one and this one will cancel. See very carefully. This one I am writing again. Cos theta, see, 1 plus cos theta will also not be cancelled. Here you will get 1 plus cos theta. So now if you cancel it, you will find that 1 minus cos theta, 1 minus cos theta, and up 1 minus cos theta will cancel. So we will get 1 minus cos theta divided by 1 plus cos theta. It is our RHS. So hence it is proved.